are going to study all pair shortest path using special matrix multiplication method. All pair shortest path problem is followed by what is the special matrix multiplication method, in which we will understand with the help of algorithm, and finally we will work with one example of all pair shortest path. Given one directed graph in which every edge is weighted, that is a graph which is collection of vertices and edges. It is connected graph, that means from one vertex to any other vertex there do exist direct or indirect path, as well as it is also directed. Now in this graph, each edge from V to U, vertex V to U, which is a part of edge set E, weight of UV is associated with the respective edge. Now here all pair shortest path of a problem APSP is to find shortest path from vertex U to vertex V for each pair of vertices in a given set V. So here input is n cross n matrix, which is given as weight matrix, in which weight of ij, that means from vertex I to vertex j, is 0 if both vertices are representing same vertex. The weight of ij is the weight of directed edge from vertex I to vertex j if there exists a direct edge in graph. But if there doesn't exist an edge from one vertex I to another vertex j, we put an entry of infinity. So let us start. Let us see what is special matrix multiplication algorithm is. So matrix multiplication algorithm takes two inputs, that is two matrices A and B. Let us assume both matrices are square and of same size. That means matrix A is n cross n and matrix B is also n cross n matrix. Let C be the new n cross n matrix. For I equals to 1 to n, that is rows from 1 to n, for j equals to 1 to n, we initialize every element of new matrix to infinity, and for k equals to 1 to n, C of ij is minimum of C of ij, comma A of ik plus B of kj. At the end of completion of these three for loops, we are going to return C. Now where is this matrix multiplication that is different from special or our ordinary matrix multiplication? In ordinary matrix multiplication, the statement that we write at this particular time is C of ij is equal to C of ij plus A of ik into B of kj. Plus there is one more difference in this. Here we are initializing matrix to infinity, but originally in every C of ij in our traditional matrix multiplication algorithm, we initialize C of ij to 0. So there is only two differences. In our original matrix multiplication, we initialize to 0 and our multiplication goes with this formula. But here in special matrix multiplication, we initialize with infinity and our multiplication goes with this particular formula. So let us see how special matrix multiplication works to find all pair shortest path. Let us consider a given graph in which there are 4 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, and weight of edges is present in the edges itself. Here we have to find out distance matrices. Since there are 4 vertices in a graph, so we have to find out distance matrix up to 4. Distance matrix 1 is weight matrix itself. Distance matrix 2 is obtained as W2, which is a multiplication of weight matrix with itself. Similarly, I can get distance matrix 4, which is weight matrix 4, is equal to weight matrix 2 multiplied with weight matrix 2. So this is called as repeated matrix multiplication method. Let us start and compute all pair shortest path for given graph. Here total number of vertices are 4. So So we will start from D1 and go up to D4. This will be our final all pair shortest path matrix. Let me write down weights much bigger so it will be easier for you to look into it. This is 5 and this is 3. Weight matrix is created as this is vertex 1, 2, 3, 4. If an edge from one vertex to another vertex is present in graph, we are going to write its weight. So from vertex 1 to vertex 1 value is 0 as per the weight matrix rule. From vertex 2 to vertex 2, vertex 3 to vertex 3 and vertex 4 to 4, all values are set to 0. Now, is there an edge from vertex 1 to 2? Yes, there is an edge from 1 to 2 whose weight is 5. So, for cell row number 1 and column number 2, value is 5. Is there an edge from vertex 1 to vertex 3? No, this edge is from 3 to 1, not 1 to 3. So, entry of vertex 3 is made from 1 to 3 as infinity. Similarly, there is no edge from 1 to 4, that's why value is infinity. And likewise, a complete matrix is prepared. This matrix is D1 itself. Now we have to calculate D2, which is weight matrix multiplied with weight matrix. That is equal to, the matrix is multiplied with itself in a special way. Alright, so this is not a normal matrix multiplication. Let us see how to work with this. Let us consider first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. Let us do element sum one by one. 0 is added with 0, that is 0. 5 is added with infinity, that is infinity. Infinity is added with 8, that is infinity, and infinity is added with 2, that is also infinity. So we have 4 options, 0, we have 4 options, 0, infinity, infinity and infinity. Minimum out of all this is infinite 0, so first element will become as 0. Now we will consider first row of first matrix and second column. 0 is added with 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, I will write down all those values, 5 plus 0 is also 5, infinity plus infinity is infinity and infinity plus infinity is also infinity. So minimum out of these 4 values is 5, so second element will be 5 itself. Now with first row we will consider fourth column. Let us perform element by element sum. 0 plus infinity is infinity, 5 plus 1 is 6, infinity plus 0 is infinity, fourth value is infinity plus infinity is infinity. So out of these 4 value, minimum is 6. So the next element in cell will become 6. And at the last, first row of first matrix is considered with fourth column of second matrix. Let us perform addition element by element. 0 plus infinity is infinity, 5 plus infinity is also infinity, infinity plus 3 is infinity, and infinity plus 0 is infinity itself. So here minimum value out of these 4 is infinity. So first row of our matrix is prepared with first row and 4 columns of second matrix. Now second row is prepared with, from first matrix we will consider row number 2. From second matrix we will consider one column at a time. So first we will add infinity with 0, that is equal to infinity. 0 is added with infinity, that is also infinity. 1 is added with 8, that is equal to 9, and infinity is added with 2, that is equal to infinity. So minimum value here will be 9. Similar way, now we will consider second row with second column. Infinity plus 5 is infinity, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus infinity is infinity, and infinity plus infinity is infinity. So minimum value out of these 4 is 0. Next we will consider second row and third column. Let us perform some element by element. Infinity plus infinity is infinity. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and infinity plus infinity is infinity. So minimum value out of these 4 is 1. So next element will become 1. Now we will finally consider row 2 and column number 4. Infinity plus infinity is infinity. 0 plus infinity is infinity. Then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and infinity plus 0 is equal to infinity. So minimum value out of these 4 is 4. So here remaining two columns are prepared in the same way. Elements of matrix are 0, 5, 6, infinity, 9, 0, 1, 4, 5, 13, 0, 3, 2, 7, infinity and 0. So this is my resultant W2 or weight 2 matrix. Next we will calculate D4, that is W2 into W2. So here we have to multiply same previously obtained matrix with itself to get W4, that is D4. Let me substitute W2's value that we have just obtained in both of these matrices. Again we are going to multiply these matrices in special way. That means first we will consider this row and this column and add up those elements and find out the minimum out of the sum. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 9 is 14, 6 plus 5 is 11 and infinity plus 2 is infinity. So minimum out of these 4 value is 0. Now first row is now considered with second column. Let us add elements one by one. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 6 plus 13 is equal to 19 and infinity plus 7 is infinity. So minimum out of these values is 5. Now consider row 1 with column 3. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 and infinity plus infinity is infinity. So minimum value here is 6. Now first row is finally considered with column 4. 0 plus infinity is infinity, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and infinity plus 0 is equal to infinity. So final value here that is equal to 9. Now we will work for row number 2 and column number 1 first. Element by element sum is performed. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Minimum out of these 4 value is 6. Now we will consider second row with second column. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 1 plus 13 is equal to 14 and 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Minimum value out of these is 0. For third value, we work with second row and third column. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 4 plus infinity is equal to infinity. Minimum value out of these is 1. Now work with second row and fourth column. 9 plus infinity is infinity. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 0 is also 4. So minimum value over here will be 4. So this is the final table W4, which is equal to distance matrix 4. So this complete table is our final all pair shortest path problem final answer, in which minimum path from 1 to 2 is 5, that is 1 to 2 is 5 is this one. For 1 to 3 is 6, that is 5 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6 from 1 to 3. From 1 to 4 minimum path is 9, that is 5 plus 1 plus 3, that is from this place to this place. Similarly, from 2 to 1 minimum path is 6, that is 1 plus 3 plus 2. From 2 to 3 minimum path is 1. From 2 to 4 minimum path is 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Similar way, from vertex 3 to vertex 1 minimum path is 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. All pair shortest path is producing shortest path from one vertex to another. Now for your practice, one exercise is given in which you have to find out all pair shortest path using special matrix multiplication method for given 4 vertices. I hope you get clear and correct answer to this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is Munira Topia signing out.